Hello there. In this video I'm going to be putting together a small holder for 3 cans of spray paint or varnish or whatever. They just go in there like so. It's very simple to assemble. Just got the usual suspects of some CA glue and activator and a small persuader just to knock the box joints into place as we go along. So to begin with, I'm going to get the bottom piece with the best side down, as nobody sees this side, and I'm going to put this on here and this on here. I'm going to touch of glue along the sides. These cans really aren't very heavy, so no need for a ton of glue, but we will put a bit on here and here. So that's going to go in there like so. Same the other side. And I'll just put a touch on there. I'm going to run a little bit up here and a little bit up there. And while we're here, let's put a little bit along there. And there we go. I'm not going to put any activator on that just yet because I have these pieces, and I don't know how clearly you can see, but these go in here, and obviously I won't push that down just yet. I don't want it in there until I've got some glue on the back, and they're going to hold the top and the front. So I just put a little bit on both. Okay, do one on the other side. Okay, that's all in place, and now I will give it a little bit of activator. Just noticed that I've got this upside down, so I might actually do a little bit of sanding there just to get rid of the smoke. The better side was this side. So these things happen. So all that's to be done now is to put the front on, which is this piece. So that just needs a bit of glue in here. Just wipe that off my hand. And then a little bit of glue along here and along here on the inside. Maybe a little bit on there. Like so. A little bit of activator, and we're ready to go. Now off camera I'm just going to dust off these little bits of smoke. That will come off easily enough. As always, I've actually coated these both sides with a little bit of spray varnish. That's this, if you can see that. I think it'll just be a little bit easier to clean if it gets dusty. Also, I think it will increase the longevity of the parts. and furthermore I do both sides because I don't want it to bow, and I think if I did just one side, the side you see, I think there would be a tendency where it might tend to warp a little bit with changes in humidity. Okay, I'm just going to dust those off before I put these final parts on, and I'll see you in a second. So I've got rid of the worst of the smoke there, and I'm just going to put the side cleats on first. I'm going to turn it over, hang it off the edge of the workbench. This is going to go here. A couple of dots around the cleat, and then like I normally do, just a little bit here and there. It's good. Same this side, a few bits around the cleat, and then every 4 or 5. Let's check they're square. Yep, that's going to fit. So a little bit there, a couple of dabs along the length here, should be more than enough. Good side up. Let's just put a couple of pieces on the ends here. Like so, and a couple of dabs along the bottom. Not even sure if you can see that in camera, so I'll do it here. That's that. And then let's get a few cans. And there you have it. I'm also making these in a 2-can version and a single can version. I use a lot of this matte spray, but I also use some blackboard paint, so I'll put a couple of blackboard paint sprays in a holder, and I've got some spray glue that I use quite often. I'll just put that in a single holder. So you get an idea now. Where I just dusted off the smoke, I'll just give that a quick coat with the matte spray, and it'll be ready to hang on the wall. Okay, I've been Alan, you've been watching, and I'll see you in the next video.